Hi everyone, here are this week three's or module three's announcements. I have made some updates and cleaned some things up. There is a calendar here. And for your field work, there's basically two things you need to do. It looks like three, just disregard that. One is the assessment, and this is the one that you talked about in class that you wanted to do with your case study. And then do one other thing, and it really depends on which directions you want to go as to what you choose. So you could do another assessment, you could do a strategy. These are things we talked about in class. You could do more with MISCUE. You could do the prepare while reading that we did, or the early reading strategy, which was the cutting up sentences. And this one we didn't talk about, but you are certainly welcome to do this as well. If you want to start practicing actually doing some teaching of reading based on the MISCUE analysis, you're going to want to check out this. Prompts to support the use of reading strategies. That's super helpful. And then if you want even more detail on that, you can get into start reading something about guided reading. Okay, your online work is the VoiceThread discussion from this podcast, and then updating or uploading things into your reading portfolio blog. Deadlines are same as last week. You between now and Sunday watch or listen to the podcast, and then make sure you've posted by Sunday. You can post earlier, so it's open now. And then you're going to, between Sunday and Wednesday, you're going to keep discussing. And I think you're going to find VoiceThread easier and less, and it's going to take you less time than the discussion did. Okay, there's the podcast here, some optional readings, the link to the fieldwork, this is all the same thing, the portfolio of the fieldwork. And then here are the VoiceThreads, and you are welcome to contribute to either of the groups, but this would be a good place to get started where your name is. And so there is a tutorial here with troubleshooting and those kinds of things, but I can quickly show you right now. So you're going to we'll click on group 1. Do not click on launch. That messes everyone up. So here there'll be a welcome message from me. You can just listen and then X out. And then as you get going in the discussion, you will start to see people's initials they'll start adding in here. And then you can click on whoever you want to listen to. And we're done with that one. So to post something, you're going to click on this here. And it gives you a bunch of options. You can just do, you can basically just type in a comment. You can call in a comment. You can leave an audio voice thread, a video, or you can upload a file. And then it gives you an option to save what you've done or delete it and try again. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to X out of that. And go back to our course. Sorry about that. So I think that's all you need to know this week. Down here, I'm sure after listening to the podcast, you're going to have questions about this. So there's some information there. Okay, enjoy, and I will be joining in on the VoiceThread discussions as well. So have a good weekend, and I will hear from you soon.